In this video, I will show you the best places at Barefoot Kuata Island in Fiji. This is Barefoot Kuata Island. What an amazing view of an incredible landscape. There are beaches surrounding the mountain tops and astonishing reefs just 20 meters outside from the land area. After having been to 9 different islands, we were now on the awesome adventure boat again, coming in to Barefoot Kuata. It was late afternoon and we were tired after having traveled for a while, so we went to bed early that night. The next morning I woke up early to see the sunrise and get ready for diving with bull sharks. I was a bit nervous because bull sharks attack more humans than great white sharks every year and are considered to be the most dangerous sharks in the world.
Barefoot Kuata Beach Resort is actually one of the only places in the world where you can go diving with bull sharks without having a diving certificate.
Now it was time to go and do it. I didn't have a diving certificate and I had never done scuba diving ever before in my life. Together with 3 American guys, we got a quick diving lesson and immediately after headed out on the boat. We got into the water and everything was going smooth. What a great experience it was to see these incredible animals. Most sharks really have no interest in humans because they have been on Earth for about 100 million years, as opposed to humans who have only been here for around 2 million years. If they attack humans, in most cases, it's just by accident. We came back up to the surface again and headed back into the incredible island. We came back just in time for lunch.
Just got back from swimming with the bull sharks and it was quite an unreal experience actually. Now we are enjoying lunch here in the resort.
After lunch we were hanging out for some time in the nice hammocks. Then it was time to go for a hike.
You can do a couple of different hikes here at Barefoot Kuata Island. Right now I'm going up to one of the mountain tops. It's starting to get hot here. I've been hiking for maybe 30 minutes. It's actually way more hot than what I thought from the beginning. And I'm sweating a lot. Alright, I made it up to the summit. That's where I came from.
Now I was up on the top and could see every angle of the island. It makes me wonder about this world and this life. It's so amazing and I'm so happy that I get to experience it.
Alright, that was a pretty good hike. Now I am on my way down again.
I came back down to the resort on time to enjoy dinner.
It's time for dinner. The buffet is ready. Guten Appetit. Thanks.
The dining area is really cool and every evening you have the Fiji people playing their traditional Fijian music.
Good morning everybody and welcome to another great day here in Fiji.
It was early in the morning and it was time to do another hike.
It's a little bit rough to get up here, but I'm hoping that it will be worth it. I've been able to climb up for a bit. I don't think I have that much more left.
a really steep climb up the small mountain, and the way down would come to be much harder. The time on the island was coming to an end, and for the rest of the time we enjoyed the resort and were getting ready to head to the next island. Please leave me a comment and tell me what you think about this episode. Please follow me on social media and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel.